Well, I am taking a step backwards here. The engine was in it. I had a friend come over and we did the cam brake in, and that actually went pretty well. Uh, Engine sounded good, was making all the right noises and none of the wrong ones, but of course it's always the unexpected stuff that gets you. Guess what happened? And of course, according to Murphy's Law, if you're going to have a problem with a freeze plug, it's going to be in the most inconvenient location on the engine. Funny thing about this, when I was having the block cleaned up at the machine shop, I had the machine shop put the freeze plugs in, and the kit that I got came with extra freeze plugs. And I was only thinking about the block, but I do remember thinking, what are all these extras for? Well, I found out. So all in all, it wasn't too bad. This is just a minor inconvenience, really. Everything was already fitted, so it was just a matter of unbolting things and pulling it out. Simple case of a 10-cent part in a $100 location. But yeah, we were able to finish up the cam brake in. Only had to top it off once. I mean, it was a small leak, so it wasn't too bad, but back in the garage it went. Also worth noting, the transmission worked. When I pulled the valve body out to put the shift kit in, I noticed the transmission had been sitting with a little bit of moisture in it, so I had some concerns about that not working, but at least I know first and reverse work, so that's looking up, but things are looking alright. So the plan here is to put the core plug in, drop the engine back in, and hopefully have everything running by next weekend again. And maybe at that point I'll be making a test drive video, which would be a lot funner than the assembly videos. But anyways, that's all for now.